Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Imani Nizare. I am from Mary College from BBA 6th semester. Today my presentation is going to focus on social media platform analysis. Now the platform which I choose is Instagram. Instagram was created by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. It is the most popular social media network with more than 1 billion monthly active users. Now, next talk about why this platform chosen. Instagram is a mobile, desktop, and internet based photo sharing application and service that allow users to share pictures and videos either publicly or privately to pre approved followers. Users can apply various digital filters to their images and add location through geotags. They can add hashtag to their post, linking the photos up to other content on Instagram, featuring the same subject or overall topic. Now, next I'm going to present my Instagram page. Its name is Jersey Singh. Actually, it's a clothing brand with premium quality products in sports section. Now next, the category which I chose is of clothes, sports jerseys and accessories required for sports. Next come the target audience. Under the target audience comes athletes, people who love sports, age group of all sizes are available. It is available all over India. It's available for both male and female, and it's mainly for football fans. Next comes the main objective of my page. So, the objective of my page is to make everyone aware about jerseys that are available, to deliver fine quality products related to sports and which are available of all sizes and both male and female. All over world can see my page, and in India anyone can order. Next comes how to build an audience. Now for that you have to use similar hashtags which are containing keywords related to profile. Your goal on Instagram is to engage your current audience on a regular basis while growing your number of real followers. Now, just like I have used so many of hashtags, suppose hashtag Manchester Reunited, hashtag football jersey online. All these hashtagging your photos makes it easy to find your photos. Next is use of unique name for the page to track more exciting market. You need to choose a unique name page which can attract number of followers. Next, talk casually and gently for your order as to remain consistency in the market. You need to provide all the necessary details about the product, whatever is demanded by the customer. Now the analytics of the page. Number of reaches of my upload page, post and page is as follows. Next is number of reaches of my upload stories and page. Next come, I have explained my Instagram through different graphs and pie charts which are being used to show the relationship. First is account reach, then action which has been taken. Next, how the overall growth is increasing day by day, and the topmost location where the number of customers are in Delhi. The age range is between 18 to 24 who demands more of jerseys, and the gender between men and women, more men require jerseys. So the conclusion is, in short period of time we have achieved exponential heights. Primary focus was on athletes. Mission is to provide comfortable clothes to play and to give quality content. Also, the most important, for better growth, we'll be adding various new designs in jerseys. So that's all for now. Thank you for your kind attention.